Here's a quick announcement from Sharon at Popeyes Fairview Heights and Amanda at Chic-fil-A Fairview Heights.
Don't hate, congratulate. You cannot eat a shirt. Thank you.
So I've honestly never had Popeyes, but what I've heard is that pretty much regardless, Chick-fil-A wins.
Obviously.
We're the OGs.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm here with my mom. Okay. And yes, we are repping at Chick-fil-A because, I mean, come on now.
The price.
Right, the price, right. You have the receipts?
I don't have the receipts, but the Popeyes, I purchased the spicy chicken sandwich from Popeyes as it comes. And
That's the mayo sauce?
That's, everything on it.
But they didn't have pickles this time.
Yeah, they ran out of pickles, but at least they had the sandwich, right?
True.
So anyway, these sandwiches at Popeyes are $3.99, and
Before tax.
we got two different styles of sandwiches. They're both spicy, but hers is a little bit different, but they're marked the same, so we don't know which one is which. So, Chick-fil-A sandwiches, we got the spicy chicken sandwich as well. Mine is as it comes, and hers was special made, and hers is marked, so you know which one is hers, and you know which one is mine.
Right.
Easy peasy, right?
So that's like the first thing.
Strike one on Popeyes with that. Sorry.
Right, okay. Let's dig in.
Let's try to figure out which sandwich is which. So I know which one.
This one's mine.
This one is mine. And
Look, like it has, okay. So it has the markings on here, y'all. The classic and spicy, but they didn't even mark it.
Damn, it's big.
Boop.
oh,
Oh, dang, they wrapped hers. Look at how pretty hers is looking.
it's wrapped.
That's the
guys.
Popeyes one. Oh,
This is the
snap.
Popeyes.
Oh, snap.
Yours isn't wrapped. Oh,
Well,
yours
this
is
is
Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, this, oh, wait.
Oh.
Are we?
Girl.
No, wait a minute,
No, that's fine. I'll pull mine out. So this is the Popeyes.
Dang, that's big.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, and then we have our sauces. I like sweet and spicy sriracha, and I got honey mustard for you if you wanna.
I don't know if I want some. Oh, well, dang. This piece of chicken is big, too.
Yep.
So the difference is Popeyes is wrapped, and I mean, but dang,
That is huge.
yeah,
Hopefully they ain't got no hormones in it.
you silly. Compare, show the two together side by side.
Dun, 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 dun. So for those who know true Chick-fil-A, their fillets, you can tell which is spicy, which is not, just by the color because of the marinade. I don't know if y'all know. I used to work there, so I know. But with Popeyes, this could be classic or spicy. You can't tell just by the outside, like the
Are
color.
you talking too much? My sandwich. Here you
Okay,
go.
okay. One, two, three. Yep.
Okay, Chick-fil-A.
Nice and juicy. Bam. Ooh, in your face. All right. Palate
For the
change.
record, I've never had a chicken sandwich from Chick-fil-A.
By the way, this is the Chick-fil-A strawberry passion tea, lemonade, mix, whatever. I got it on the last day.
It was pretty damn good. The bun looks more toasted on the Popeyes one.
Yeah, and there's definitely, you can definitely see the butter. But I will say the bun on the Popeyes one is like, it's a little thicker.
Yeah.
Like they definitely got a different bun. I'm pretty sure it's.
Dang, look how fat. Man, that is fat. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. Wow.
Okay, this ain't spicy at all.
It's spicy.
It ain't no kick.
Yes, it is.
Unless I got bamboozled, I don't taste no spice.
But it's crunchy.
Okay.
And I like that. That's pure Popeyes.
It's the bomb. But, I'm sorry.
The verdict is
There's no comparison, guys. I'm sorry. But, I'm going in
Back.
again. Chick-fil-A sauce on the Popeyes.
oh yeah, how does that taste?
I couldn't really taste it. The piece of meat on Popeyes is huge. It ain't no joke, guys.
Yeah, that's big.
But
I ain't never seen nothing
the
that big.
flavor, I mean, all in all, the flavor. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, Miss Sharon, but y'all lost.
Amanda was right. You know what? I'm finna do something real crazy, y'all. Chick-fil-A sauce. Even though I know it's not Chick-fil-A sauce because that's nasty. But the sweet and spicy sriracha sauce from Chick-fil-A, I'm gonna put on my Popeyes, you feel me? I'm gonna see what happens. See if I can get burst.
But,
Oh my god. That's good.
what?
With the sauce.
I haven't put any sauce or anything on Chick-fil-A sandwich. It's just the pickles and the bread. The meat by itself has all the flavor. There's no comparison. I mean, if you've tried Chick-fil-A anything and you've tried Popeyes anything, you know, there's definitely a difference in flavors. So,
Huge difference. Oh my god.
don't
you
get
know
me
what?
wrong. The Popeyes sandwich is the bomb.
It was good,
It's good.
but
But when it comes to flavor, like flavor, like you don't need anything on it. Chick-fil-A.
you know what?
What?
Have you ever had Raising Cane's?
Nope.
This is what this Popeyes chicken sandwich reminds me of. If you've ever had Raising Cane's without their sauce, it's no flavor at all. But
It has flavor. I disagree. It
no, I
tastes
mean it tastes like Popeyes chicken, but I'm saying
Yeah.
like it's supposed to be a spicy sandwich. Where's the spice? Where's the
Maybe they gave you a plain one.
Yeah, maybe I was bamboozled. But anyway, back to what I was saying.
We're not saying they did it on
This-
purpose.
I'm comparing it to Raising Cane's, hands down. Comment below if you hate me or not.
Also, I do want to say, customer service
Oh yeah,
on both ends
both ends.
was amazing.
A1.
You participated in the video, and you were.
Why
a
you
cool
talking to Miss
sport
Sharon
for
a whole
that.
lot? Let's talk to
Because
Amanda.
I
Hold up.
Sharon.
Amanda. I like both, but Amanda, we hugged her and everything. But I will say the only reason why is because at Popeyes, they were slammed.
Okay.
They were
I was
slammed.
gonna say no.
Both locations had
Miss
lines.
Sharon was putting it in. She
Like,
was
for
getting
real.
the orders out.
They both had lines at their locations. We went inside because we're impatient people. So, but Popeyes was slammed inside and outside. Chick-fil-A was slammed outside. Not really on the inside because in the location that we're at, people like in and out, in and out.
And again, I want to say the presentation for the sandwiches, Popeyes wins hands down.
Yeah, this wrapping paper,
The fact that they had it
I ain't gonna
wrapped,
get no butter on my hands. You feel me?
man, I love that. Man, I can't put the Chick-fil-A one down. I'm sorry.
All right, so as you saw, the verdict was Chick-fil-A. Ding, 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 ding. That's a fact. No cap. Period.
We're not doing this together.
Yeah, she.
My opinion is my own.
Yeah, and my opinion is literally mine. But thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below if you have tried both sandwiches, which one you like, which one you don't like, why you love Popeyes chicken sandwich, why you love Chick-fil-A's chicken sandwich. Just give me all of your opinions. And don't get us wrong. We love Popeyes.
Oh yeah.
And I love Chick-fil-A.
Oh yeah.
But on a scale of the same, like if they're on the same level,
Nope.
no. They got, Popeyes got their lane, Chick-fil-A got their lane. Okay?
They're both just as good.
Different.
It's just different. And Miss Sharon, can we get some specials?
Oh my gosh.
Some
All right.
chicken
Bye.
specials at Popeyes.
Subscribe. Oh yeah, we were just
left
there.
We're doing the challenge right now.
Oh yeah.
Popeyes.
Yeah. Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A.
Okay, let's let me know.